Recently, we released a new feature called CoView. Specifically, CoView helps the agent better understand your needs, and you don't even have to think of detailed text descriptions to send to the agent. It's a feature that lets it understand your needs better. Now, in the past, when we wanted to make some changes on a web page, we might use a lot of text to describe our specific needs. A big part of that is actually wasted on describing the area we want to change, what it looks like. And then another part is describing the kind of modification process we want to achieve. The modification effect. For example, there might be places where I don't even know what they're called. Like this section, I might not know its name. I'd have to tell it, hey, help me make these sections with brand names into a scrolling carousel effect. Then I'd have to describe all of it. And then I have to describe the scrolling carousel effect I want, and that's just me speaking. If I had to type it out, it would be really troublesome, and then it might not even be understood clearly, and sometimes we don't even know how to describe it, so we might have to take a screenshot and mark it up, and then use text to describe the animation effect we want to achieve. First of all, we might not be able to describe our animations completely. Secondly, text and images are actually separate. The agent understands your image first and then your text. It doesn't understand them simultaneously. So what we're doing now with our CoView is essentially giving the agent eyes and ears. We just show it directly, demonstrate it to it. What does that effect actually look like? And then where exactly is that specific section? We don't have to describe like what kind of section it is or where it is. So now our expression is much clearer, and many things can be replaced by some text, some actions, some demonstrations instead of our text descriptions. Because sometimes text is really hard to use to express many of the interesting interactions and creative ideas in our minds. Especially when we aren't professional developers, there are some technical terms we've seen, some animations we've seen, but we just don't know what that animation is called, which is very painful. So we can just demonstrate it to it like this way or that way, so the developer can better understand our needs. This is actually what we at YouWare want to do. Take the process of coordinating with developers in real life and bring it into our product. It's like usually as product managers, we just take our laptops to the developers and tell them, pointing at the place to be modified, hey, I want this place to be this color with this kind of effect. We can just point and talk. Then the developer can see where I'm pointing, see the kind of actions I'm demonstrating, and my demonstrated actions help them understand my needs. So it's like we're providing users with an AI developer who can see what you do and hear what you say. Now let me show you exactly how to do this. First, we click this little icon, and then it'll ask for some permissions, like recording audio and screen permissions. So now as we're speaking, it can record our voice, and then it can see our tab. I want to change this icon to green, including these purple buttons and this purple button, and then including these places where product names are displayed. I want them all to be able to have a carousel effect, a scrolling effect from right to left. And for these few places, I want them to have a selected state when the mouse hovers over them, like a floating effect, and then there will be some shadows underneath, like a selected effect. Then after we finish describing our needs, it will upload the video we just recorded and send it. At this point, the agent will perform some analysis, analyzing what we were just talking about, what we showed, what kind of actions we demonstrated. And this process will actually be a bit long because previously the agent might have just analyzed your images and your text. This process is actually quite simple, It just needs to analyze these two modalities, and it does so in order analyzing images first and then text. Now with video, there's actually a bit more to it. First of all, the entire video has a sequential order, so it's not just frame-by-frame images. It also includes audio and sound information for each point in time. So it has both a temporal relationship and a multimodal relationship, making its information content much more comprehensive and complete. And because of this, with such a large amount of information, the agent needs to take some time to sort through it all. Which information the user actually wants to show, and which things are really, maybe some background noise or interference, right? It has to distinguish those effects. Then, once it's finished sorting through everything, it proceeds to optimize our entire web page to meet our specific requirements. Now, we can take a look at what the agent is doing right now, right? It's already finished analyzing our three requirements, and I showed it some things, and you see here, it can recognize what I've shown, including where I hovered, and some buttons and icons, right? Then it starts analyzing, and after that, it goes ahead and completes my various requests. Okay, it's done now, and we can see that, hey, this has been changed to green, and this one now has a carousel effect. Plus, it added that feel to the hover effect here. So it has successfully completed all of my requirements.